Hello, this is Elena for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the Simply Sentimental-Love stamp set and dies. This is another addition to the Simply Sentimental line, and it's part of the Sweet Shop release. So let's take a look. This is 4x8 stamp set, contains 17 stamps. 6 of them are larger, different fonts, love sentiments, and can be used for focal points for your cards. Also, there's a coordinating die set that's sold separately. You can use the die set on its own or in conjunction with the stamp set. 6 of those dies coordinate with the larger sentiments from the stamp set. So let's take a look how the stamps look when they're stamped on A2 panel. Those are the smaller stamps that helps you build a sentiment, like sprinkled with love, made with love, etc. And here are the larger sentiments. So now let's take a look with combination with the dice. You can see from here that you can use the dice in conjunction with the stamp set or in its own. On the far left side, I have stamped and die cut the images. Then we have the image, the outline and the letters die cut together, and then I have just the letters and just the shadow. So there are so many possibilities that you can use those dies, whether you want to use the stamp set with the stamp set or on its own. Now let's take a look at a few examples from our creative team. Here we have examples where the die set and the stamp set are used as a focal point. We have here a couple samples where we use the stamp set to build a background, and also in combination for with different stamp set as a supporting sentiment. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to visit our blog for more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!